What happens in winter? Birds in Winter by Jenny Fretland Van Vorst. Stay or go. Winter is coming. The birds must leave. It is too cold. Food is scarce. Geese fly south. They make a V. The goose at the point works the hardest. She is tired. Soon, another goose will take her place. Some birds stick around. Sparrows flock together for warmth. Look, they puff out their feathers too. Birds must eat more to stay warm. Cardinals eat winter berries. They eat bird seed. Tom feeds the birds. He gives them suet. He gives them seeds. Soon the weather will warm. Birds will return from the south. Look for the robin. It's a sign that spring is here. Birds of winter: goldfinch, cardinal, bluebird, oriole. Excellent job, readers. The end. And as always, please remember to subscribe. Thank you.